Today I am going to create a very nice Indian look. Actually on 15 February we have Saraswati pujo, and for Bengali Saraswati pujo is a pretty big day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sayantani. Thus to those who are new to the space, thank you so much for stopping by. Before you leave, make sure that you hit the bell icon as well as you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any update wherever I upload. Here first I tip my skin with Good Vibes toner which makes my skin very refreshed, and then I use the Garnier Vitamin C face serum which make my skin very soft, bright and translucent. For moisturizer today I use the Biotic Morning Nectar moisturizer. It's my favorite moisturizer and I use it every day for my regular skincare routine. And this is a daytime makeup look, so I have to use some sunscreen, and for this I choose the Shield sunscreen, which is a very good sunscreen with 30 SPF and protect our skin from UVA and UVB. I'm gonna apply Swiss Beauty Pore Minimizing Primer, especially beside our nose, forehead and the chin area. It gives a very soft, smooth texture and gives a flawless base. Now I correct my under eye area and the pigmentation area of my face, and for this I choose the NYB corrector in the shade orange. I have dark circle under eye area which give me look like just a panda. So I can't skip this step. If you don't have such dark circle problem, pigmentation and pimple marks, you can definitely skip this part. And I blend the product with my finger. It is in creamy consistency, so it is very easy to blend. And now for the foundation, I use here Maybelline Super Stay Foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. It's give me a super matte finish and stay whole day long, and it's also give me a very soft smooth texture. I just blend quickly with the help of a foundation brush, and actually I use first foundation brush because it gives me a full coverage, and after that I use the beauty blender because it gives me a smooth texture. And now for the concealer, here I use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade medium, and I highlight my under eye area, top of our nose, chin and the forehead. And now I just blend the whole product with the help of the brush and the beauty blender. I bake my under eye area using Stay Quickly Loose Translucent Powder. Today I use the Hilary Croda Mini Eyeshadow Palette. I complete my eye look only using this palette. It's a very affordable and also very easy to carry anywhere. Firstly, I use a peach shade in the crease line area of my eye, and then I take a dark pink shade and apply it on the inner and the outermost corner of the eye, and now I just blend it. Now I take the golden shimmery shade from this palette and apply it in the middle part of the eyelid with the help of the flat brush. Now I pat the same shimmer shade in the eyelid with my help of my finger. Actually, I am much comfortable to use the shimmer shade with my finger than the brush. Now I take the dark blackish brown shade and I just apply in the outer corner and blend it. I fill my eyebrow and applying the false lash in off camera, and then now I take the same peach shade and apply it on my under eye area. For kajal today, here I use the blue kajal from the NYB and I apply it in the under waterline area. And now I just smudge it with the black eyeshadow. Now I just dust out the extra powder from my face. For blush, today here I took the Wet n Wild Mega Sleek's Balm Stain lip color in the shade 1601 Red Active. It is in creamy formula, so it is very easy to blend and just give a natural flush to my skin. And now I just took the light brown shade from the same eyeshadow palette and contour my face so that my face look more sharp. Then for the highlighter, I use the Champagne Shimmer shade from the same eyeshadow palette and apply on my cheekbone, top of my nose, forehead and the chin area and also the cupid bone. As I mentioned before, the eyeshadow palette is super duper useful and you just complete everything like the contour highlighter from the same palette, and also it's not a big in size, you can easily carry it anywhere, and also it's super duper affordable. For today, achieve a perfect peachy brown lip. Here I use the Blue Heaven matte liquid lipstick in the shade 12. I give all the products details in the description box. You can surely check it out. As I just mentioned, it is going to be an Indian traditional look, so the bindi is a must. And I wear this black small bindi. And at last I spray the Blue Heaven setting spray to secure my makeup for a long day. Next is time for some jewelry, and for that I am going to wear this oxidized heavy jhumka. And now finally I am completely ready. Hope you guys like this look and enjoy this video. Stay well and healthy. Bye bye guys. See you soon in the next video.